bring nutrients, stimulates the bones and the muscles so that they will become stronger. The muscles stronger, the bones also stronger by becoming thicker kasi naka-attach yung muscles sa kanya. And the third one, it makes them tired enough so that they will have a good appetite when they eat. And also, para mapagod sila just enough para mahimbing ang tulog nila at mahaba. They should get the 8 to 10 hours of sleep kapag nasa mga ganong edad. So exercise, play, physical activity, pero hindi video games. Lahat yun makakatulong sa physical health ng bata, and of course, eventually, it will benefit the growth of the child, and that will also help prevent stunting as long as it's appropriate for the child's age.
Physical activity and nutrition. Tita Zay.
To add to that, hello. The OSTF and RI's National Nutrition Survey, NNS, the National Nutrition Survey, I think the latest result was 2021, showed that only less than 40% of adolescents or teens are engaged in exercise or physical activity, which is not a good thing. And I think we can really correlate that also with, the advent of technology, the age of technology. So most children or most kids right now are really stuck to their screens or gadgets, and it's really not a healthy habit. So it's a habit that parents should be watchful of or be mindful of. Na the generation these days, they're very different from ours, where we used to play on the streets with our friends. We used to go out, play sports, but these days most kids tend to prefer staying in, playing mobile games or playing online games, right? Or Netflix and chill. So they're not as engaged as the previous generations. So also, with the concern on the kid being fatigued or exhausted from exercise, that can be supported by proper nutrition as well. You have to make sure that you're feeding your children enough and the right kind of food throughout the day so that they are well fueled, they have enough energy to go about their activities. And so it's important not to even the timing of their meals, right? So especially if, let's say, there's a kid who's engaged in sports, he's an athlete, he's training every day, very important to feed them at the right time. So either they have their full meals at least 3 to 4 hours before the training or activity, and then after the activity, make sure to eat again within 2 to 4 hours. Okay, so that can also help. Of course, nutrition is not just for fueling them for their activities, but also for their growth while they sleep, right? So growth happens when they are sleeping. So that's when recovery and growth happens. So exercise is very important even for kids, and even best to start them young, because when are you gonna start building the habit? When you're already an adult, which is harder, right? The longer you take to start the habit, the harder it will be, right? So it's better to start them young.
Very true. Also, with your statement, Doc June, I also want them running around in the morning. Para at night naman, I won't have a hard time putting them to sleep, right? So there's no forcing them to go to bed, Pero automatic na, go to bed, tapos yan, tulog na. Alright, thank you, Doc June and Jazz. So moving on to our third statement.